Microsoft Copilot, the future of work is here. Welcome back to NeoVerse Tech. Imagine having a personal assistant who never sleeps, never takes a break, and understands your work inside out. That's not science fiction anymore. Welcome to the world of Microsoft Copilot, where AI meets productivity, and your workday will never be the same again. What is Microsoft Copilot? Microsoft Copilot is not just another chatbot. It's an AI-powered assistant deeply integrated into Microsoft 365 apps like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, and Teams. Powered by OpenAI large language models, the same tech behind ChatGPT, Copilot takes your commands and turns them into results. Need a presentation? Copilot will design it. Want to analyze a messy spreadsheet? Copilot will summarize it. Too many emails? Copilot will draft replies, summarize threads, and help you prioritize. Behind the scenes, Copilot uses natural language processing to understand what you want and taps into your documents, meetings, chats, and calendar securely to generate useful content. Ask it, summarize this meeting and draft a follow-up email. Or create a report using this Excel data and generate 3 insights. It does all that in seconds. And yes, it learns from your preferences, writing style, and context. It's not just smart, it's personal. Copilot in action, real examples. Let's look at a few real-world examples of what Copilot can do. In Word, you can say, write a blog post about cybersecurity trends in 2025. Copilot generates a draft instantly, which you can edit or expand. In Excel, try analyze sales data from last quarter and create a chart. Copilot cleans up your data, finds trends, and builds visualizations, all with plain English. In PowerPoint, make a 5-slide pitch deck about our new product line. Copilot creates a professional presentation, complete with design, structure, and notes. In Outlook, drowning in emails? Tell Copilot, summarize and write emails from my manager this week. Done. Transforming the way we work. Microsoft Copilot isn't just about doing work faster. It's about doing better work with less mental fatigue. It frees up time for creativity, strategic thinking, and collaboration. No more staring at a blank page or wasting hours formatting slides. You get more time to think, decide, and innovate. This is what Microsoft calls the AI-powered productivity revolution, and it's only just beginning. What about privacy and security? Of course, when AI works with sensitive data, trust and security are crucial. Microsoft Copilot is built with enterprise-grade security. It respects your data boundaries, follows your company's compliance rules, and doesn't use your private content to train the model. It's your data. Your control with AI is your ally, not your risk. So, is Copilot replacing us? Not at all. It's not about replacing humans, it's about amplifying human potential. Whether you're a student, a business leader, a data analyst, or a content creator, Microsoft Copilot gives you superpowers to think bigger, move faster, and create better. The workplace is changing. Are you ready to work with AI or be left behind? Final shot, Copilot logo fades in with tagline "Work smarter, think bigger, Copilot." Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech insights.